Yeah, now in this video we are going to see how to make your computer faster. So either you are using the laptop or you are using a desktop. So right now my operating system is Windows 10. Okay, you just press that keys from the keyboard, Windows and followed by R, Windows R. So whenever you press Windows R, you will see the window like pop-up will come. So here enter that percentile temp percentile. Okay, just press enter button. Okay, you will see all the temporary files which are generated in your system. Okay, during your usage, so the temporary files will be generated. You just do right click and delete it. Okay, do this for all the current items. So few of the files will not be deleted. Okay, you can use skip button for that. Okay, then just select them and just do it for all the current items. Okay, and also you can close this temp. And also one more time, you can go with Windows R. Okay, from the run, you can use temp. Okay, inside the temp, just select all everything and do right click, just delete everything. Okay, it will be deleted. Few of the files will not be deleted. Okay, now what you can do, you can just close this. Okay, so now you can do one more time, Windows R. Now type for prefetch. Okay, tch prefetch. So just press enter. So all the temporary files which are generated, so just select all, Control A and delete them. Okay. So now just go to recycle bin, right click, empty recycle bin. Okay, it will, you can delete everything. Also continue. Yeah. So now just try to check. So it will increase your system speed. Okay. So do this every day before shutting down your system so that yeah. So do this every day before closing your system, before you're shutting down, so that your system will be faster. Thank you all. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel Chris Solutions. Thank you.